Hey, what's happening? Welcome back to the channel. I know I'm not done editing the camping footage yet, so got to do some other stuff in the meantime. We got some boxes, some more stuff for the van. Hopefully it makes winter living a lot easier. And we got some toys. That's gonna make editing and filming even harder, but more fun. Stay tuned. Here we go. It was Amazon Prime Day the other day, so I got some stuff that I might need, might not need. Whatever, you know. We'll see how it goes. Here we go, opening some boxes. No, I don't have my knife. First box. So this little one first. So it's a cast iron care kit. Next is this big package. That's practically broken. Oh my gosh. They sent me the SD cards that are regular, and I got a micro SD for some reason. Prime Day? I have no idea why they sent that one. And these two SD cards, full-size SD cards that go, what was that? 250 megabytes a second? Like, fastest ones that I could find for the video camera. A heat blanket that plugs in from the 12 volt so that we can have a solid heat blanket in here come winter time, since we don't have a heater in the van yet. "12-minute flight time. That's almost a half an hour with 2 batteries. Oh, it's only a 720 camera. Oh, that's okay. It's like an FPV drone. Next box, addressed to Crystal, but we're opening it. And she got 100 foot of rope light, but they're multicolored, so that's the stuff for the yard, so that we can have Christmas lights. We can have Christmas lights and Halloween lights. 16 color variation. And then, speaking of heating the van, Crystal got one of these for about 20 bucks for Amazon Prime Day. We'll see how warm it keeps the van. I want to just plug it in right now and see what this is all about. This stuff is like household stuff, but the cast iron pan will be coming with us on trips, so it's kind of van stuff. And we have, I don't know, whatever. Our next thing is our auto heater and our heat blanket. Oh, this blanket is nice and big. It doesn't even say it on the box how big it is. It looks like it's going to be enough to cover the bed. Oh no, that's as wide as it is. So it's definitely not enough to cover the bed. I mean, that's how big it is. It's enough to cover a person. But so far, it's not like we're getting cold in the sleeping bags. It's that the whole van is cold. And once we're in below freezing temperatures, it's going to be even colder. It has no multi-heat function, and it has no on and off switch. It's on or it's off when it's plugged in. So you can't leave it unattended. Oh, that's sketchy. It doesn't even have an on or an off button. And the wires in it are so thick compared to our house one. I don't even feel it getting warm. Our house one would be getting warm already. Alright, this little auto heater. Fan, heat button. Tiny little heater core. Now here's the heater that blows even slower. I don't know what this little arm is on the side. Oh, it's blowing hot air though. I don't think this blanket's working out very well. Oh my God, it uses so much energy though. It uses like 80 watts. At least. It says we get about 12 hours with that heater on. So it would be draining our battery every night if we kept this heater on all night. And it's not like it's gonna heat up the whole cabin. Hot to about 2 inches in front of it, and then it's just like regular air. Yeah, it's saying I got like 9 hours with that heater going. The heat blanket's on too. All the lights are on. That heater might dry off a glove in one night, maybe. Yeah, that heat blanket's no good. I do feel like the heater is warming this place up though. Like it's just making the whole area warm. It's warmer than it is outside, so it's working. But the efficiency of this little heater, I don't know if it'll cut it all winter. It's like a temporary solution. It'll warm Shasta up. All right, so the little expansion pack for the 12 volt is getting really hot and it's blinking 10. If I unplug the blanket, it stops blinking. I got the lights and the 2 drone batteries plugged in right now, and the heater and the heat blanket. Do not connect battery directly to wall sockets or car cigarette lighters. That's weird. So it's blinking. I unplug this one, the blanket. It stops blinking. It's at 10. It's 12 volt. I don't know what's up with that. The light is plugged into the 1 amp and the batteries are plugged into the 2 amp. I wonder if I should be running this inverter with the USBs. And then I still have my computer to plug in. If that thing's already blinking with the blanket and the heater, the computer might be too much. Whoo! Things are gonna get tricky in here. This is just a puzzle. It's a big puzzle living in the van. Or trying to live in a van. I have pretty much a year to get my act together, pay off all my debt, and figure out how to live in a van full time. But at least I have the van already. Quadcopter remote.